Hello my little loves, welcome back to the channel. So we got something new. I've never tried Gellen before, but we got the 4-pack of the 3 top coats and a base coat. It's called Strong Base Coat, so not sure what that means. Maybe it's kind of edging toward builder gel, maybe. It is, look, very, very thick. So I don't normally show top coating the nails, but I just wanted to show you it's nice and smooth. It goes on really lovely. I was impressed. We're going to use 3 of the products in this video. You have already seen the top coat in previous video. I'll link that for you guys in the little thing up there. That was the matte top coat. Sorry, that was the matte top coat. I kind of got lost there. We're just mixing 2 colors to make that pale sort of straw yellow sort of color, and coming in and making a little crescent moon. That's what I'm saying. We should be in a crescent moon situation right now in the world, or at least in our the American neck of the woods. I don't know. Guys, this is my 3rd time to do this voiceover because I suck at it. So just forgive me. Also, I had to turn the fan and the air off because when I listened back, I realized it just sounded horrible. So what I'm going to do is see if I can find, I see people with really inexpensive little microphones. And maybe I just pick one of those up and see how that's going to help, because we here in the desert are starting to get hot. It's going to approach 90 degrees today, and I can't go without air conditioning. I'm a big wuss. Actually, I can make it into the 80s. Like once you're past 85, inching into 90, I'm miserable. I can't handle it. So I use the air conditioner. So now we're matte top coating these. Sorry about that, guys. I was in my little conversation there. That's a matte top coat that we put down. And now on top of this matte on the pinky nail, we're just going to make a little shiny French. So it's going to be all black nail, matte to shiny French. And that's one of my favorite things. I love that. But we're using that glitter top coat, which is not really glitter. It's more like mylar. And as you can see there are little pieces of mylar in it. And it's really, really pretty. It's a pink mylar. I really dig it. Then we're going to come in with that same top coat and make a tree. There you go. We're going to make a couple of trees, and this is when I'm going to mention to you that this set is actually inspired by another nail artist. I saw them on Instagram, and it is, I'm going to put it on the screen for you. The name is, I am ready. I'm just not ready. Oh, I had it up. It's on the screen, guys. Sorry. Her name is on the screen. And I'm just going to make a tree. The set that I got from her was more of a fall vibe. And I'm going to turn this into more of a midnight springtime vibe, or springtime at midnight vibe. And we're going to put some blooms on our tree and do flowers instead of leaves. She did leaves on her set. I think she might have painted her leaves. I don't know. I don't know for sure. I just saw a picture. But I'm going to go ahead and use some stamps to make some pretty, pretty flowers to go on our mat. Well, they'll end up being matte, so they're not yet. What we're going to do is put them directly on the nail like this, and then we'll matte top coat. And yes, I did pick up 2 at the same time. That was just a little lazy trick on my part. If the other two I was going to use were close together, I would have done the same thing. But they're not, so we're going to do that rose on that and this rose on this one. It's more of a top-down situation. Now on our tree, we're going to put just some little flower buds, right? Some blossoms. So whatever kind of tree you like that has blossoms, apple blossoms, cherry blossoms, orange blossoms, these are your blossoms. Okay? These are your blossoms. I really love blossoms on trees. Don't do a drinking game with blossoms in this video because you would be messed up. You would have several shots in already. So now we're going to go ahead and matte top coat these pretty flowers. One thing that I forgot to put in the video, I'm just this second realizing, is I do come in with a tiny brush and dot a little bit of top coat on top of the blossoms so that they don't wear away or get dull. But this is our set, guys. Springtime at Midnight. I love this set. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Would you wear these? Are they just too much for you? Do you not like black? Anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to go ahead and hit subscribe. We're 9 subscribers away from that giveaway. Mwah! See you guys soon. Bye-bye.